Coming Saturday, we have the examination. That examination syllabus is differential equations. Okay, na? Next, application of integrals, curves, areas, and vectors. I will put one day. Okay, na? Right. Everyone prepare for that one. Differential equations. Right. Yesterday, I started the first model number one, that is the trick number one in differential equation. First, everyone read the formulas. First, everyone read the formulas perfectly. So, without formulas, we cannot do in this one. So, perfectly can read, and one time we can see the differentiation of the problems. One time already write examination. One time you have to revise what models we have. Okay, na? Yesterday, trick one, what we have to discuss is, so the given function is in the form of trick one, we are going to discuss. Trick one, we are going to discuss in the form of f of x is equal to some constant into any function plus constant, where denominator is the constant, same function. Numerator, what is the function? Same in the denominator, and d is the constant. Simple method is f dash x is equal to direct derivative AD. So AD minus BC, AD only constants determinant. So that is the constants determinant ABCD into f dash x by denominator square c into f of x plus d whole square. Actually, it comes from the u by v formula. U by v formula. So we cannot writing the u by v formula. We can apply directly. So constant AD, constants multiplication minus constant multiplication, determinant into direct f dash x derivative by denominator square. Directly we can write the u by v formula directly, but it is in the form of some constant into function plus constant, by some constant into same function plus some constant. So then we can, that constant may be equal, may not be equal, no problem. A constant, D constant may be equal, may not be equal. B constant, C constant may be equal, may not be equal. Okay, na? Right. So basing that one, we have to complete the nearly 3 problems in this model. Yesterday we started the trick number 2. What is the trick number 2 is, everyone see. But we have to complete the only one problem in trick number 2. Time is over at the time. So trick number 2 is C. Trick number 2, implicit function. Implicit function means it is a completely x and y equation. Explicit function means, already we'll tell in differentiation, implicit function means it is a completely equation in terms of x and y. That is the implicit function. So is equal to 0. Equation means is equal to 0. Explicit means, so the equation y is equal to, we are going to write in terms of x. Y is equal to some function in terms of x. That is the explicit function. Okay, na? So implicit function is given, that is in the form of, so f of xy is equal to 0, xy equation. It is not possible to separate y is equal to. We cannot write y is equal to. So that is the equation is x square plus y square plus 2xy plus gx, 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0, is equal to plus c is equal to 0. It is not possible to write y is equal to. So that's why it is not possible to separate the y terms and x terms, separate. Y is equal to, not possible to write. That is the implicit function. So this implicit function is came in, actually derivative is ordinary method we can do. Implicit function. Implicit function. So implicit function is given. So implicit function form is implicit function Implicit function means it is in the form of, so two models is there. One is the ordinary model. So we can do in the ordinary model is already we do in the problems of the subjective, and we are going to apply the what model is the partial differential model, PD model. So ordinary model and PD model, So ordinary model means direct we can apply the derivative and then take the dy by dx is common and work out the problem. So partial differentiation PD model is partial differentiation means, so dou f dy by dx f dash of x is equal to dou y, what is the dou f by dou x minus of dou f by dou x, means y is constant. Y treated as a constant by dou f by dou y. X treated as a constant, x constant. So denominator is the x constant, numerator is the y constant. Only derivative with respect to x. Y is constant or coefficient. With the y is with x means coefficient. Y is only single means constant. Okay na? Y is single means constant. Y is with x means coefficient. Okay na? So that we have to consider and work out. Okay na? So first problem already yesterday we do the problem. Once again I recollect that problem is, first what problem is, if x cube plus y cube plus 2xy plus sin y minus 100 is equal to 0, then dy by dx value is required. First problem, once again I am going to explain. See the dy by dx is equal to, in top the problem only one line, short method. So minus of, so their partial derivative with respect to x cube derivative is the 3x square, single y term constant, so 0, y term with the x coefficient 2y, x derivative is 1, so single y term, sin y no x term, sin y is 0, 100 also 0, by partial derivative with respect to y, single x term 0, partial derivative with respect to y means x is constant, single x is constant, y cube derivative is 3y square. So single x is with y term coefficient 2x, y derivative with respect to y is 1. So sin y derivative is the cos y and 100 derivative is the 0. Therefore simply we can write answer is minus of 3x square plus 2y by denominator is 2x plus 3y square plus cos y. 2x plus 3y square, 2x plus 3y square plus cos y. That is the simple. Only one line it should be completed. But we can do the ordinary procedure also. Yesterday we'll explain. It is a long procedure, but only one step we can do. Okay, na? So what you have to remember, x derivative, x partial derivative means single y term is a 0 and y term with x means y is a coefficient. Okay, na? So coefficient we can consider. Basing that one, I will do the derivative. Single derivative of x, partial derivative of x by partial derivative of y is the simple notation. We go through the second problem. Everyone see the trick number 2, second problem. Right, see the second problem is in trick number 2, second problem. I go through the second problem. If sine of xy minus xy cube plus 5y is equal to 0, then dy by dx is, right? Everyone, this is a very long procedure. So sine derivative Inner function chain rule. Inner u into v derivative, x into y is the u into v derivative, and c x into y. I will do the problem ordinary method. Don't note ordinary method. You can see sine derivative is cos of xy by the chain rule. Inner function derivative is x. Y derivative is the dy by dx plus y x derivative is the 1 minus u into v formula x y cube derivative is the 3y square dy by dx. Don't go down. Plus y cube x derivative is the 1 plus 5 dy by dx is equal to 0. And take multiplication, take y is common, and dy by dx is common, and then write the equation. It will become as a long procedure. But I will do the problem in simple method. See, partial derivative method. So dy by it is only for objective. Don't do in the subjective partial derivative. You should be remember for only for objective only. So everyone see the. I will do the problem in only one step. Dy by dx is equal to minus of partial derivative with respect to x. Sine derivative is the cos of xy. Inner is y coefficient, x derivative is 1. Inner function is y coefficient, x derivative is 1 because of y is with x. Right, minus y cube coefficient, x derivative is 1. 5y constant, single y term 0. Single y term 0. Partial derivative with respect to y. Sine derivative is the cos of xy. X with y, x coefficient, y derivative is, with respect to y is 1. Minus x coefficient, y cube derivative is the 3y square. 5 coefficient, y derivative is the 1. Answer is completed. Minus cos of minus y into cos of xy minus y cube by denominator is x into cos of xy minus 3xy square plus 5 is the required answer. No need to take the common and separating. Is equal to bring on the right side, dividing. Nothing is there. Okay, now very simply it should be completed. Right, I go through the third problem. Everyone see the third problem. If x power of p, y power of q, pq are the constants. PQ is equal to x plus y whole power of p plus q, whole power of p plus q, whole power of p plus q. Okay, na? X plus y is equal to x plus y whole power of p plus q, p plus q. Okay, na? Then dy by dx is. Then dy by dx is. So actually we should be tell that shortcut method. So what is the shortcut? But I will do the problem in short method only. So x power of p, y power of q. Both power c is added in the right side means both power c is added and both terms are added means its answer is the y by x. Its answer is the y by x. Everyone remember, majority people, they are going to remember the answer. So any problem, x cube plus into y square is equal to x plus y whole power of 5. Answer dy by dx is the y by x. Y by x. So we can do the problem. If you forget me, I do the problem C by the partial method only. By the partial method only, I am going to do the problem. Everyone see. First, write down the equation in the correct form. Hint of the problem is, so x power of p, y power of q minus x plus y whole power of p plus q is equal to 0. This is the implicit function. Finish. Implicit function. Next, dy by dx is equal to minus of partial derivative of x. So x derivative, y constant. Here y is with x coefficient, y power of q, x derivative is the p into x power of p minus 1. P into x power of p minus 1. P into x. So here derivative will become as some long procedure. That's why I do some other simplification method C. I will do some other simply method. I will take log on both sides. I will take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Very simply it will become. So very simply it will become taking the log on both sides. So x power of p log x plus q log y is equal to p plus q into log of x plus y. Okay now? So what I am writing the directly understanding now? So logarithm of m into n, x power of p, y power of q is. So log of x power of p and plus log of x power of q. Logarithm of multiplication, in logarithm multiplication make it as a sum. So power comes log m power of n is the n log m, power comes before I will write. Okay na? So now I will bring the right hand side and then apply the implicit function p of log x plus q of log y minus p plus q into log of x plus y is equal to 0. Now apply the dy by dx. Directly you can get dy by dx is equal to, now see, p coefficient log x derivative is the 1 by x. Q coefficient constant, log y constant, total derivative is 0. Total derivative is 0. So here minus p plus q. Next, log derivative is the 1 by x plus y. Inner function x derivative 1, y derivative is 0 by partial derivative with respect to x, partial derivative with respect to y. P log x is 0, p constant, log x also constant 0. Q log y derivative is the 1 by y minus p plus q. Log derivative is the 1 by x plus y. Inner function x derivative 0, y derivative is 1. Now simplify. Dy by dx is equal to minus of p by x, minus of p by x, minus of p by x, minus of p plus q by x plus y. By denominator is q by y minus of p plus q by x plus y. Now take LCM and simplify everyone. So cross multiplication minus outside. So px plus py minus px minus qx by denominator is qx plus qy minus py minus qy. Right, cancel. So here is px is cancelled. Here is qy is cancelled. Qy is cancelled. Okay, na? Qy is cancelled. What is the remaining term is C? What is the remaining term is? So here is the, denominator I forget. Sorry. Right, here is x into x plus y. X into x plus y by denominator is qx plus qy minus py minus qy. Denominator is y into x plus y. Y into x plus y. Okay, now here x plus y only cancel. Here qy is cancel. What is the remaining is right now? So I will write here, see, dy by dx is equal to, what is the remaining is minus of py minus qx by x, denominator is qx minus py by y. Multiply minus and reverse order right now. Multiply with minus dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to qx minus py by x. Reverse y by qx minus py. Both are cancelled. What answer we are getting? The y by x. y by x. dy by dx is equal to y by x. So we are applying the shortcut method only. We are getting this some long procedure. Without shortcut, what it will become as a C. So without shortcut, what long procedure it will become as a on time we can observe. But so I am writing the step C, the direct, no need to taking the log on both sides step, taking the log, no need for objective. Direct we can write this step only. So next we can write this step without zeros also. Direct we can take LCM and simplify, we get the direct answer. Those steps can be minimized. We should minimize these steps. Majority candidates, we minimize these steps. Right. I go through in this model only two problems I will write. Same. In this model only I will write two problems. You should be remembered. What are the two problems? See. Third problem, first bit. Second bit I will write in third problem. First bit. If x power of 7, y power of 13 is equal to x plus y whole power of 20. So these two sum is given, then immediately dy by dx answer is. So dy by dx answer is simply y by x. No need to work out. So answer is the dy by dx is equal to y by x. Right, y by x is the answer. Second bit C, everyone. If second bit is if xy is equal to these two sum x plus y whole power of n, then dy by dx is and dy by dx is and dy by dx is. So y by x. Then what is the n value is? Then what is the n value is? Simple. What is the power sum is adding? X bases are adding means powers is adding. Here n place is the 2. Right. Simply problem is completed. Bases are adding means power should be adding. So basis is adding x plus y power 1 adding n place is the 2 only. Already answer is given y by x. Right. Everyone write down the fourth problem. So third problem, basing that one, I will write the 2 bits also. I go through the fourth problem. If e power of xy plus log of xy plus xy is equal to 0, then dy by dx is. Right, first work out. Everyone work out this problem first. You should work out. I do only one step only, you can see. I do only simple one step only. Implicit function dy is equal to 0 means implicit function minus of partial derivative with respect to x. E goodbye, its derivative is the xy. xy inner function xy derivative y coefficient x derivative is 1. Log derivative is the reciprocal 1 by xy. Inner function y coefficient x derivative is 1. Here x y coefficient x derivative is 1. By denominator e partial derivative with respect to x, e good boy e power of xy, x coefficient y derivative with respect to y is 1. Log derivative is the 1 by xy. Chain rule inner function x coefficient y derivative is 1. X coefficient y derivative is 1. Write down the simplification minus y into e power of xy plus 1 by x plus y by denominator is x into e power of xy plus 1 by y plus x is the required answer. Finish. You will take LCM and make simplification also. Take LCM and make simplification. Minus of LCM is the xy e power of xy plus 1 plus xy. Denominator x is the LCM. Now write down the LCM is. So xy e power of xy plus 1 plus xy by y. So these two are cancelled. Reverse order answer is minus y by x. Reverse order answer is minus y by x. Right. Basing this one, I go through the fifth problem. Everyone see the fifth problem. Fifth one is if y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y, then dy by dx is, then dy by dx is, then dy by dx is. First we can do, make it as implicit function. First to make it as implicit function. First make it as implicit function is equal to 0. First to make it as is equal to 0, everyone. First make it as is equal to 0. So hint of the problem is y minus tan inverse of x plus y is equal to 0. Right now direct dy by dx is equal to partial derivative with respect to x single x constant 0. Tan inverse derivative is 1 by 1 plus x plus y whole square. Inner function x derivative 1, y constant, right? By denominator with respect to y, y derivative is 1. Tan inverse derivative is a 1 by 1 plus x square. X plus is the x plus y whole square. Inner function x derivative 0, y derivative is 1. Right, write down the simplification, everyone. Write down dy by dx is equal to minus of, minus is a plus, 1 by 1 plus x plus y whole square. Denominator take LCM, 1 plus x plus y whole square minus 1 by 1 plus x plus y whole square. These two are cancelled. So answer is 1 is cancelled. Answer is 1 by x plus y whole square. 1 by x plus y whole square. Finished problem is. Right. Now I go through the trick number 3. Trick number 2 is completed with the different problems we have to be completed. Trick number 3, see everyone. Everyone go through the trick number 3. Trick number 3. What is the trick number 3 is? If Given problem is the square root 1 minus x power of 2m, two types of m, plus square root of 1 minus y power of 2m, same power, 2m, same power, is equal to a power of m, half power, 2m power is the half, x power of m, half power, y power of m, x power also half power. Here 2m is given, half only given. So half they are going to given. Then dy by dx is short formula C. Then dy by dx is equal to x by y whole power of half power minus 1 root over 1 minus y power of full power by 1 minus x power of full power is the answer. So this is the problem. This problem where we have to do, I will explain. Once again we can see this problem we can do in exercise 5, that is the topic number differentiation. We do this problem where we have to do this problem. What type of the problem? Sin theta we can take, we can do that problem without using that one. We are do the problem. See here. Once again, 1 minus x power of power is the 2m. Whatever the power, here is the same power, no difference, 2m. Same power, 4 is given, y also power is the 4. Here is constant, some constant half power, 2m half is the m, and x half power, and y also half power, x power of half power, and y power of 2m half is the m, y 2m half power is the m, by is equal, then dy by dx is x by y half power minus 1. Square root of this one by this one. Root over 1 minus 2m by root over 1 minus x power of 2m. Root over 1 minus y power of 2m by. So this power, this term by this term is a simple notation. Very simple we can. Easy remembering process also I will explain. So root over 1 minus x power of power. So whatever the power is, plus same power in y, root over 1 minus same power, constant, some constant, given x power is a half, bracket, x power also half, y power also half power, easy, then answer is dy by dx is x by y whole power of half power minus 1 by this term by this term. This term by this term is a simple notation. Okay, now what type of the problems are? Right, see. First problem write down. If square root of 1 minus x square plus square root of 1 minus y square is equal to a into x minus y, and then dy by dx is, then dy by dx is. This problem we do the exercise, the last exercise we have to do in this one. Here is x is equal to sine alpha, y is equal to sine beta, 1 minus sine square alpha is the cos square alpha, cos alpha. Here is the cos beta, a into cos of alpha, my cos alpha minus cos beta, transformation, cos alpha minus cos c minus cos d, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c by simplification. After that we can do the problem. It will become as a long procedure of the problem. We do in this last exercise. Derivatives, last exercise before, that is the second time derivative is there, na higher order derivative before exercise we have to do this problem. Okay, na? So this problem I am doing the problem is, see, here angle is the 2, power is 2, here also same power 2, 2 half is the 1, constant power of 1, 2 half power is the 1, y half power is the 1, right? I will write the simple notation. C. Int is dy by dx is equal to x by y of power minus 1. So 2 of power is the 1. 2 by 2 of power is the 1. 1 minus 1 root over this term by this term 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. Answer is power is 0. Power is 0, value is 1. Therefore, simple answer is 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. Simple. This long procedure problem I will do the very simply. Trickly I am doing the problem. So what I am doing to ordinary model is, this is the cos alpha. Let x is equal to sine alpha. 1 minus sine square alpha cos alpha. This is the cos beta is equal to a into cos alpha minus cos beta. Next, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos of c plus d by 2 and cos of c minus d by 2. So this is a into minus 2 sine alpha plus beta by 2 sine alpha minus beta by 2. Next is sine terms, cos terms, write down tan alpha plus beta by 2 tan alpha. Next alpha beta should be write down. Alpha means write down x is equal to. So this is the long procedure of the problem. Simply we can do the only one step solution. Simply we can do the one step solution. Right. Second problem we can do the second problem. If second problem root over 1 minus x power of 6 plus root over 1 minus y power of 6 is equal to a cube